Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to activate your CJ Affiliate Earnings account so you can start promoting top brands and earning commissions. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Sign up for CJ Affiliate. Start by visiting the CJ Affiliate website. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the registration form. Provide the necessary information, including your name, email address, and website details. Make sure your website is well prepared, as it will be reviewed during the application process. Step 2. Understand the terms and conditions. Before finalizing your registration, take the time to read through CJ Affiliate's terms and conditions. Familiarizing yourself with their policies will help you stay compliant and optimize your earning potential. Step 3. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for CJ Affiliate to review it. This process can take several days. Be patient and check your email frequently for any updates on your approval status. Step 4. Set up your account. Once you receive approval, log into your CJ Affiliate account. Fill out your profile with accurate information, including payment details. Ensuring this information is correct is crucial for receiving your earnings. Step 5. Explore top brands. After your account setup, browse through the various brands available on the CJ Affiliate platform. Take your time to select the ones that align with your niche and audience. Research each brand's products, commission rates, and marketing materials. Step 6. Generate links and banners. After selecting brands to promote, you can start generating affiliate links and banners. Access the links and banners section to find resources that will help you advertise their products effectively on your website or social media. Step 7. Promote and drive traffic. Now it's time to promote. Use your website, blog, or social media platforms to share your affiliate links and banners. Create engaging content that attracts your audience and compels them to click on the links. Step 8. Monitor your earnings. Keep track of your performance in the CJ Affiliate dashboard. This section provides valuable insights into your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Use this data to refine your promotional strategies. Step 9. Optimize your strategies. Based on your monitoring, continuously optimize your marketing strategies. Test different approaches to see what works best for your audience, and don't hesitate to pivot if needed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and insights on affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching.